Dear students, I am Subha Bansiwal, Assistant Professor English, SPC Government College BIM. Today I am going to explain the poem Village Song by Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is known as the Nightingale of India and Bharat Kokila. Uh, Her poems are full of Indian themes and lyrical quality. In this poem, she speaks about Indian Indian pastoral scene where a maiden goes to take water from the well, Banghat, and on her way back to home, she is lured by the song of a boatman, and she gets late and she gets frightened. In this poem, let me read out the text. For uh, full are my pictures and far to carry. Long is the way and long. Why, oh, why was I tempted to tarry, lured by the boatman's song? Swiftly the shadows of night are falling. Here, oh, here is the white crane falling. Is it the wild owl's cry? There are no tender moonbeams to light me. If in the darkness a serpent would bite me, or if an evil spirit should smite me, Ram Re Ram, I shall die. In this stanza, the village maiden um, is saying that full are my pictures and far way to carry. Long is the way and long. She is saying that this village maiden fills her pictures up to the brim, and she has to carry these pictures on a long way back to her home. Why, oh, why was I tempted to tarry, lured by the boatman's song? On her way back to home, she is lured by the song of boatman, uh, and she is lost in in her own imagination, and she forgets about being late. Um, and when the song ends, she realizes that it has fallen dark. Um, night is night is falling, and she feels guilty, uh, and she says to herself why she was tempted to listen to the song of the boatman and delay uh, her going to home. Swiftly the shadows of night are falling. Here, oh, here is the white crane calling. Is it the wild owl's cry? And on her way back to home, she has to cross the river Yamuna, and which is flowing very fast and which is very deep. And at this time, uh, when night is falling, she hears the cry of white crane, and her doubts creates in her mind the feeling that it is the sound of it is a voice of owl, which is the night bird. There are no tender moonbeams to light me. If in the darkness a serpent should bite me, or if an evil spirit should smite me, Ram Re Ram, I shall die. In these lines, the poetess expresses the fear and anxiety in the heart of the village maiden. She says that there is no moon in the sky. It is pitch dark in the sky, and 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 she fears that uh, any serpent may bite her, and any evil spirit um, make us may make a spell on her. And she says that if it happens, she will be dead. And she says Ram Re Ram, uh, which which is she says, "Oh my God, my brother will murmur, why doth she linger? My mother will wait and weep, saying, oh, safe may the great gods bring her. The Jamuna's water are deep." In these lines, she feels that her family members will be feeling anxiety because of her being late. Um, she says that her brother uh, will ask why does she linger, why she has got late, and her mother will become very frightened and she will start weeping, and she will be waiting for her, and she will be praying for her safe return, and she will be praying to God for her safe return, and she will be fearing because of Yamuna, the river, the deep water of river Yamuna. The Jamuna's waters rush by so quickly, the shadows of evening gather so quickly, thickly, like blackbirds in the sky. Oh, and in the Yamuna river, the waters of Yamuna river are flowing very swiftly, and at this evening time, at this when the night is falling, the dark shadows begins to begin to appear in, and which seems to be blackbirds in the sky. Oh, if the storm breaks, what will betide me? Safe from the lightning, where shall I hide me? Uh, and and at this time, uh, the there is conditions of storm in the sky, and this village madam feels that if the storm breaks, what will she do? How will she protect herself? uh, and the lightning and if the lightning falls on her, what will she do? Where shall she where will she hide herself? So she becomes very frightened and anxious about her safety. Unless thou succor my footsteps and guide me, Ram Re Ram, I shall die. And she prays to God, and she says that only God, she prays to God to guide her on the right way back to her home. And she says that if God doesn't guide her the right way, she will die. So, in this poem, which is a very lyrical poem, and which the setting of this poem is Indian uh, past, pastoral setting. In this poem, Sarojini Naidu uh, speaks about a very common incident in Indian villages, where a village woman goes to take water from a well or Pangat, and on her way back to home, she is lured by the song of a boatman, and she gets late, and this creates a fear in her heart for her own safety and for the anxiety which her family members will be feeling for her. Thank you.